It all started with the gas smell. This is the story of how Vapor Trapper began and what we discovered along our journey. We've had the opportunity to work on and build some incredible automobiles over the years. It's been an awesome journey. We really appreciate the relationships we've built. One benefit, customers openly give us feedback. By far the most common complaint, the gas smell, and we know that vehicles before the 70s were not manufactured with charcoal canisters on the fuel vent line. We got to work and created the first aftermarket, rechargeable, activated charcoal canister manufactured right here in the good old USA. The solution, the Vapor Trapper. Guys, this product is so easy to install and it really works. Your family and friends will appreciate not having to breathe in gas fumes. Full patented. Easy to install. We have sent out thousands and have yet to have one return. Our store is linked below so you can get started. If you have any questions or need help with install, we are here for you. Once you join the Vapor Trapper family, tag us on your install post. We want to see your ride and thank you for being a part of our community.